In off-site manufacturing, production queues are rarely uniform. Elements vary in length and complexity, which naturally leads to uneven cycle times. The result is unused capacity. Downstream stations with identical capabilities are left starved, while upstream stations are still working. True efficiency comes from dynamic load balancing. Instead of letting flexible stations starve, we have enabled them to share workload in real time. For example, two robot cells in series are both building walls. While the first cell is still stapling, the second cell finishes its wall and immediately signals that it can take over the remaining stapling task. The first cell hands over the job seamlessly, and the second cell continues without delay. With dynamic load balancing, machines communicate continuously. Capacity is shared as conditions change, breaking bottlenecks before they form, and keeping the entire line productive. The main payoff is significantly higher output through smoother flow and much higher machine utilization. The production line adapts instantly and delivers better flexibility and up to 70% higher throughput.